The excitement around the Galaxy S26 Ultra is reaching a whole new level, and the hype is clearly real. With the official release just around the corner, many fans are still counting the days. But interestingly, someone has already managed to get their hands on Samsung's latest flagship days before most buyers. A Reddit user known as Boris499 recently shared photos showing the Galaxy S26 Ultra already in use. The device reportedly arrived on February 27th, well ahead of the expected retail availability. Naturally, this early arrival has sparked plenty of envy among Galaxy fans who are still waiting for their pre-orders to ship. According to the shared images, the device appears in the violet color option, and the finish looks sleek and premium. Samsung has clearly continued its focus on refined design, and the early look suggests the phone maintains the Ultra series' signature premium feel. With March already here, the Galaxy S26 lineup is expected to hit store shelves in roughly 10 days. Pre-order customers should start receiving their units very soon. If a pre-order has already been placed, now is probably the time when tracking the shipment multiple times a day starts to feel very tempting. Despite the excitement around early deliveries, the real story lies in what the Galaxy S26 Ultra brings to the table. While some specifications remain familiar, Samsung has introduced at least one standout feature that could change how people use their phones in public. One of the biggest highlights is the new built-in privacy display feature. This is something rarely seen integrated directly into a flagship smartphone. When activated, the feature can hide the screen, or selected parts of it, such as notification bubbles, from people looking over the shoulder. Anyone who frequently uses their phone on buses, trains, or crowded places will immediately understand how useful this could be. This privacy magic is powered by the 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display working together with a technology called Black Matrix. At the pixel level, the screen can limit viewing angles so that only the person directly in front of the device sees the full content clearly. It is essentially like having a smart privacy screen built directly into the phone, without needing any external accessories. Another noticeable improvement comes in the design department. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is now thinner than before, measuring just 7.9 millimeters. For users who prefer slim flagship phones instead of bulky ones, this is definitely welcome news. Samsung seems to be continuing its push toward making premium devices feel more comfortable in the hand without sacrificing the large display experience. However, not everything has changed. The battery capacity remains at 5,000 mAh, marking the 7th consecutive year that Samsung has kept the same battery size in the Galaxy S Ultra line. Some users may feel disappointed by this lack of growth, especially at a time when many competitors are increasing battery capacities. That said, battery life is not only about capacity numbers. Efficiency improvements from the new processor and software optimizations could still deliver solid real-world endurance. Until full reviews and testing arrive, the true battery performance will remain something to watch closely. On the camera side, there are no major hardware overhauls compared to the previous generation. But that does not necessarily mean the camera experience will feel outdated. The previous Ultra model already delivered excellent photography performance, so Samsung appears to be focusing on refinement rather than dramatic changes this year. One important upgrade is the wider f1.4 aperture on the main camera. This improvement should allow nearly 50% more light to reach the sensor compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In practical terms, this could lead to brighter night photos, improved low-light detail, and better background separation in certain shots. For mobile photography enthusiasts, even small aperture improvements can make a noticeable difference, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Combined with Samsung's image processing and AI enhancements, the camera system is still expected to perform at a flagship level. Overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a polished evolution rather than a radical redesign. The thinner body, privacy display technology, and camera refinement show that Samsung is focusing on meaningful usability upgrades instead of flashy but unnecessary changes. The early hands-on sighting from the Reddit user has only increased the anticipation. As more units begin reaching customers in the coming days, real-world impressions and detailed reviews will start painting a clearer picture of how the device truly performs. For now, the Galaxy S26 Ultra appears to continue Samsung's strategy of steady refinement while introducing at least one genuinely fresh feature with the built-in privacy display. Whether that will be enough to excite upgraders depends largely on individual priorities. One thing is certain, the countdown to widespread availability is almost over, and the Galaxy community is watching closely. For more latest smartphone leaks, comparisons, and honest tech updates, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so no future update gets missed.